In continuation to my previous video lecture of pointers in C, today I will be explaining one program based on pointers. So let's take a working example. So here you can see we have header file and then main function, and then this line int star PC and C. So what is happening here? A pointer variable PC and a normal variable C, both of type integer, is created. So why PC is pointer variable? Because we have star here and the C is a normal variable. So we can differentiate between pointer variable and a normal variable. So in this line, two variables, one is PC, that is pointer variable, and C is a normal variable, and both of type integer is created. And since PC, so what is happening here? PC is created, one variable PC, that is pointer variable, and one variable C is created. Okay, and since PC and C are not initialized at initially, so you can see here these two are not initialized any value. So pointer PC, it will point either no address or a random address, and a variable C has an address but it contains random garbage value. Okay, now in this line C is equal to 22. So this assign 22, value 22 to the variable C. That is 22 is stored in the memory location of variable C. So here what is happening? So PC is there, okay, and then C, variable C, value 22 is assigned. Okay, so in this line 22 value is assigned to C. And next what we are doing, we are printing address of C, and then in this printf statement we are printing the value of C. So when we have to print the address, we'll be using format specifier %p, and then while printing we have to write ampersand. So ampersand C means this will print the address of C, so address location of C, and here we are using format specifier %d. So that means we are going to print some value, and here we have just written C. So what will happen in this statement? If this printf statement will print some address, the address location of the variable C, and this printf statement will print the value of C. So value is 22. The previous line we have assigned 22 to C. So you can see the output will be the address of C. So this first printf statement, address of C, this will be some address, okay, and then value is 22. So these two printf statement will print the following messages, okay, and then these values will be printed. Now next, PC is equal to ampersand C. So PC is equal to ampersand C means we have a variable, pointer variable PC, and we have another variable C, okay, which has the value 22. So now PC is equal to ampersand C. That means what is happening here? This assigns the address of variable. The address of variable C is assigned to the pointer variable PC. So that means now the address of this is assigned to PC. So that means now PC is pointing to variable C. Okay, and then we are printing these. Again, we have given two printf statement. First one is printing the address of pointer PC. So for address, again %tile p format specifier will be used, and then the second printf statement will print the content of PC. So in my previous video lecture, I've explained if you have to print, if you want to print the the content of PC. So content of PC means what will be the content of PC? PC will have the address of C. So whatever is the address of C, if I just print PC, that address will be printed. But if I want to print the value, like if I want to, because PC is right now pointing to C. Now if I want to print the value stored at that address location, then I need to write star PC. So this first printf will print the the content of PC means nothing but that is the address of C is assigned to PC. So what is the address of C in the previous statement? See, this we got. So the same value will be printed again for address of pointer, and the content means this particular address location, what is the value. So for that we need to write star PC. So value, because now PC is pointing to the variable C, and variable C, the value stored is 22. So 22 will be printed. Okay. Now the next is C is equal to 11. So what is happening? This will assign the value 11 to variable C. So that means I have PC, okay, and then a variable C, and now value 11 is assigned to it, and PC is pointing to C. Okay. Now we are giving again two printf statement. Here we are printing the address of PC. So address of PC means again the same address, because the address of C, because PC, here we have written %C is equal to PC. So that means the same address, the address of C will be printed. And then what we are doing, we are telling content of PC. So content of PC means we are printing star PC. So that means 11 will be printed here. Okay. Now next what we are doing, star PC is equal to 2. So what is this? Now this changes the value at the memory location pointed by the pointer PC to 2. That means in this line what is happening, we have a pointer variable PC and we have another variable C, and when we are writing, and this PC is pointing C, so when we are writing star PC is equal to 2, so PC is pointing to C. So star PC is equal to 2 means what this statement will do, this will change the value at the memory location pointed by the pointer PC. So change the value at the memory location. So PC is pointing this C variable memory location. Now whatever value is stored here, it will change that value. Okay, so now this will become 2. Okay, so now this will become 2. So here this printf statement, we are telling address of C. So address of C, anyway it won't change. So the message will be printed, first printf statement, this will print address of C. So the address, the same address 2686784, and here value of C. So now we are printing value of C. So value of C means 2 will be printed. Okay, so hope you have understood the concept of pointers. Thank you.